When you are ready to invest in your voice, log into your account from Google Chrome. From your dashboard, select Purchase your VocaliD voice, and then enter in the recipient's information. And then select the voice you wish to purchase. Enter in your primary language, and if there is a second language, make sure to enter it here as well. Then please select which text-to-speech device you'll be using. If you don't see your device on the list, please email us to be placed on a wait list. Unfortunately, we're unable to support all devices at the moment, but thank you for your interest. When you're ready, select Continue, and then enter in all your payment details. And then click Place Order. You'll receive an email from us confirming your order.